So I promised I would talk about the political angle of migration, right? So we've got basically you've got your left approach and your right approach, and as it relates to the UK, let's speak about the UK. We've got UK reform on the one side, we've got Labour and the Tories on the other side. Strictly speaking, they're all kind of not really talking about the real implications of what the problem is, right? So the left and the right, so the Tories and the left, which is Labour, both groups haven't really stopped migration. They haven't managed to stop the boats. You know why they haven't stopped the boats? Because they know fine well that the native population is declining, and declining fast. So that's why they haven't stopped it, and that's why they're bending over backwards to facilitate it. The same is going to be true of UK reform, because even reform decides to stop this situation, assuming they can even try, right? They're going to rapidly realize that they don't have an alternative. So sure, they could perhaps set up some incentives like in Hungary, right, to try and encourage the native population to procreate and create families. But it's not going to work because it didn't work in Hungary. So that means that the only viable way to maintain an economy in the West is to steal the population of other countries. It's funny how we've been going across the Middle East, blowing everything up and destroying all the different facilities in all of these different countries. It's all very convenient that all these countries have been destroyed and facilitated a mass migration, isn't it? Is it possible, however unrealistic, that our governments realized the problem 30 years ago, 40 years ago, and then realized we need a replacement population because ours is dying, because their minds are cooked and their traditions don't function anymore. So what do? Well, we replace them with a culture that is more resistant to the problem that we're experiencing. I don't blame them. That's just it's completely, from a utilitarian perspective, this is the solution that you would come up with.